Step number 5, below your header element, so this is your header element there. Below that, we're going to create a new div, a new division tag, and this is the division tag is used for sectioning off your content, and assign it a class of gallery. So class is equal to gallery. We'll be able to target this in our CSS, this particular div tag. And this particular div tag will act as a container for the gallery images. And this is another great thing about divs, that I will have this whole section here now that I can target, and I will have all the images inside it. Inside that gallery element that we've created here in this div tag, we're going to create 9 image elements. So img, we'll put a self-closing tag, and I'll just copy that 9 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And as far as I'm concerned, that should be it. So I'll run that. Congratulations, your code passes. Submit your code to continue. Good stuff. Nothing shows up at the moment, we just have it set up. So see you shortly for step number 6.